Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Polyfill.io JavaScript library supply chain attack. A widespread supply chain attack targeting the Polyfill.io JavaScript library has been found to affect over 380,000 hosts as of July 2nd, 2024. The malicious code was introduced after the domain was sold to a Chinese company in February and redirects users to adult-themed websites during certain times of day. The attack has prompted multiple organizations to take action, including Namecheap, Cloudflare, and Google. Further investigation has uncovered a network of potentially related domains, with one domain, boots.com, showing malicious activities dating back to June 2023. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2, June 26, 2024. Newsroom cyber attack. Malware threat actors linked to China and North Korea have been involved in ransomware and data encryption attacks on government and critical infrastructure sectors worldwide between 2021 and 2023. A joint report by SentinelOne and Recorded Future found that the Chamal Gang, a group believed to be from China, was behind attacks on organizations in India, Brazil, and East Asia, using Cat B ransomware and other tools. Cyber news number 3. Newsroom SEO poisoning. Cyber attack. GootLoader, a malware loader part of the GootKit banking Trojan, continues to be used by threat actors to deliver additional payloads to compromised hosts. It abuses JavaScript to download post-exploitation tools and is distributed via search engine optimization, SEO poisoning tactics. The malware has received several updates during its lifecycle, including changes to evasion and execution functionalities. Threat actors behind GootLoader have also unleashed their own command and control C2 and lateral movement tool dubbed GootBot, indicating that the group is expanding their market to gain a wider audience for their financial gains. Cyber news number 4. Did you know it's now possible to build blockchain applications in native Python? This article discusses how AlgoKit, a development toolkit for Algorand, enables developers to build blockchain applications in pure Python. It explains the benefits of building blockchain applications, including guaranteeing tamper-proof records, automating complex agreements, and revolutionizing asset ownership. The article also highlights Python's readability and maintainability, integration with other technologies, and world-class developer experience. To get started, developers can download and install AlgoKit, which includes tools for setting up a development environment and project folder, as well as generating smart contracts and interacting with the blockchain. The article provides a step-by-step guide on how to use AlgoKit to build a simple Hello World smart contract in Python. Cyber news number 5. XSET door malware found on South Korean ERP vendor's product update server. An unnamed South Korean enterprise resource planning ERP vendor's product update server was found compromised, delivering a Go-based backdoor dubbed XCT door. The OnLab Security Intelligence Center identified the attack in May 2024, noting tactics overlap with those of Andariel, a subcluster within the infamous Lazarus group. XCTDoor can steal system information, including keystrokes and screenshots, and execute commands issued by the threat actor. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe.